In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images in Wix, a task that you can easily complete in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or new to Wix, editing and arranging images on your website is a crucial skill that can help in creating a visually appealing site. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process, ensuring that each move is clear and straightforward for you. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Wix account. Head straight to your site's dashboard once you're logged in. This is your control center, where you can access all the essential tools for managing and editing your website. Next, you'll want to click on Design Site to open your Wix website editor. Here is where all the magic happens. The editor is a robust tool that allows you to creatively edit your web pages to reflect exactly the look and feel you want. Now, let's focus on the images. Click on the image that you want to move. It's simple. Once you've selected it, just click and hold the image, then drag it to wherever you want it to appear on the page. This drag and drop feature is incredibly intuitive, streamlining your editing process significantly. Whether you're arranging the layout for a stunning homepage or carefully curating a gallery page, this simple action gives you total control over your site's aesthetic. In addition to manually dragging the image, Wix offers handy arrange tools to help you with the layering of your images. You can easily access these tools by right-clicking on the image you want to adjust. From the menu that appears, select Arrange. This option presents you with several choices, such as Bring to Front, Send to Back, Move Forward, and Move Backward. These options are perfect for when you're dealing with overlapping elements or want to emphasize certain graphics on your page. It's all about making your images pop exactly the way you envision them. After you're satisfied with how your images are positioned and layered, it's time to save your work. The key here is to ensure that your changes are not just saved, but also visible in the live version of your site. Click Update to save your changes, and then Preview to see how the website looks with those updates before making it public. Once you're happy with everything, hit Publish